The problem with you is that you don't see the true love when it's staring right in your face.
Oh, fascinating.
Let me give you an example. The lady in the grocery store this afternoon, you remember? How she dribbled all over while talking to you?
You must be mistaken. She may have had a disability.
Dribbling disability? How can you be so sure?
Well, because women just don't react to me in that kind of way.
Are you saying that you never had a friend who liked you more than a friend?
Well, I consider you a friend.
Oh no, that's not what I meant. I mean, an intimate friendship.
That, my friend, is a very personal question.
I'm sorry, but after everything I've seen, this kind of personal questions are not fun anymore.
Are you suggesting that maybe you, me?
That's, my friend, is a very personal question.
I thought so.
Not so.
Darling, can we have our food to go, please?
Oh, mind of me to stop and grab a toothbrush.